Asthma is a chronic condition where the airways in your lungs become inflamed and narrow, making it hard to breathe. The physical effects can include shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness, and coughing, especially during physical activity or at night. So, what can be done to help? Managing asthma involves using inhalers to reduce inflammation and open up the airways. Avoiding triggers like pollen, smoke, and dust is also crucial. With the right treatment and lifestyle adjustments, people with asthma can lead active, healthy lives. Like and subscribe for more health insights.